Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word string. String, string, string. Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. She tied a string around the package to keep it securely closed. In this context, a string refers to a thin, flexible piece of material, such as thread or twine, that is used for tying, attaching, or securing objects together. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.